Well, hello everybody, and it is another beautiful day. It's a little chilly, wind's starting picking up. Gorgeous though, look at those clouds. And I've been given another free vehicle. This is not it. Oh, I wish it was though. Now, we're gonna go over here, and this big ass RV right here is now mine. It's been sitting for I don't know how long. The tag has expired in 2012. It's a big ass Winnebago, like I don't know, 189 feet long. It's got like a slide out thing and TV and just like, it's just, anyway, it's been given to me, not by choice. Somebody had to die to get this. So today we are going to see if we can get it started and drive it home. And it's some kind of diesel back here. It's got like, you know, air ride shocks and other air ride shocks, and it's got all leveling things. I have no idea what year it is. I never got to use this when it was running every day, and it was in good shape and not dirty and being driven. They were always like, nah, but you know, now that they're gone, I get to do whatever, I guess. I mean, yay. And let's take a look around real quick. So it's got big, huge diesel exhaust. Looks like it's low on fluid. I already checked that and I can't feel fluid in there, so I got to get some coolant in there. The hydraulics look good. I know it takes something like 15 gallons of oil, so we're not going to change that right now. Maybe later. Look how long this snake is. So the oil looks good. Tranny fluid, you're supposed to check when it's idling, so we got to get it started first. Oh look, ancient type of backup camera. Yeah, turbo diesel. It's got all these little things. Flip up for storage. Batteries go on that one, but like, you know, there's tools and miscellaneous stuff, and you know, just junk. It's got little awnings for each of the windows. There's the dashboard. Key goes in there somewhere, you push buttons and things happen, and you know, it's a regular car, but just huge. It's got a Freightliner frame under it, and then a Winnebago top on top of it, and no idea what motor. We'll figure that out in a second. It's got leveling stuff right here. I have no idea how that works. Big, huge, just like, you don't want to hit something with this. Look how small those headlights look in comparison to the entire front of this thing. This thing is gigantic. I have no idea where I'm gonna park it. My house doesn't have this much room. All right, so it's got this cover, which I don't know what it does. How do you even get this thing open? Ah, there we go. Got some nice air horns, stuff, some kind of pump, maybe power. I bet that's power steering pump. Circuit breakers, batteries, solenoid, and relays. Let's see what's in here. Well, that might be important. So it's got Bosch. These look like Chevy. Oh no, is this a Duramax? This looks like it's not supposed to be like that. That thing looks important. Windshield wiper motor, and it's got quite a bit of dirt. It's going to be fun pressure washing this. Big awning. It's a two-door, so door right here, door on the driver's side, two-door. So I guess the first thing we should do is get these batteries that I just had charged into it, and hopefully these are holding enough of a charge, because these are expensive. These are like $200 a piece. Get them in there and see if we got power. All right, so how does this thing work? It should be, there we go. Got a little seatbelt for the battery. I think this is, well, this is red, but this side is also red. Maybe I should have paid attention when I took them out, huh? That would have been smart. Why do they put red on everything? This one's tied into the frame, so this has to be negative. All right, and that thing's heavy. There we go. That thing is also heavy. Whew, my goodness. Buckle you up for your safety. Ooh, okay, nothing blew up. Maybe that's negative. And this is positive. Yeah, now I'm remembering. Go like this. I just want to make sure it doesn't. Alright, so it takes a GM key, so I'm starting to think that this is a Duramax, which I'm kind of disappointed in, but you know, maybe it's a Detroit. That'd be cool. Anyway, it's got a whole bunch of gauges and buttons, and I'm supposed to be paying attention to, well, I don't know, why does this say auxiliary start mom? So this is for the exhaust brake, extendo. Oh, don't want to mess with that right now. Ooh, that horn works. Auxiliary fans, don't know what that does. It's got a little tiny TV. How cute is this? Ooh. All right, turn the key and, oh, stuff comes on. I don't know what any of that means. Well, it started right up. Wow. That went to high immediately. Volts don't seem to be doing anything. What is this? PSI, I don't know what that is. Oh, this is probably for the suspension. Fuel, so it's got like half a tank. Engine temp is cold. Obviously, I just started it. Is there a way to shut off this buzzing? Is there an air gauge? Oh yeah, these are air gauges. So the air's slowly moving up. So that's good. Will the air horn work? No. Alright, so the air's filled up. Still getting the battery thing. It's still down here, so I guess we got to figure that out, and we need to put fluid in it, and we'll start driving it. I guess. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, now normally I would close the engine cover, but I broke it very first thing when I got here, so we're just gonna pretend it's not there. Alright, so it runs, it goes in reverse and forward, and it's huge. So I can drive just about anything anywhere, and I tell people this all the time, but this is the size of a bus. This thing is huge. I'm not used to this. I can drive big ass 4x4s through 4 feet of snow. I can hit, you know, an apple on the apex of a tight corner on all 4 tires of a Honda S2000. This is a bus. This is huge. Well, we'll find out. All right, let's start driving. All right, here we go. First drive in I don't know how many years. Air horn still's not working. And, oh, it's driving. Oh, crud. Brakes feel good. Oh, there's a window that rolls down. All right, so I've got all the windows open now. Got all the, oh, that's cute. Look at that thing. All right, so anyway, I've got all the windows open and all the awnings open, kind of like letting it air out. It's been sitting for a while, so it don't smell the greatest on the inside. And these awnings had a bunch of water in them. And I don't know, just kind of set things up, see what it feels like. And you know, this thing, it just doesn't fit. It doesn't fit the decor of all this, so I don't know about that. All right, so now I don't think this one matches at all. It's just, it looks weird. All right, so this one is almost perfect. It almost completes the whole scene, but it's so close. There's just one little, what's missing? All right, there we go. This is absolutely perfect. All right, let's quit playing around and let's clean this thing up. You know, my grandpa was a jokester in life, always telling jokes. Everything was a joke, even during tragedies. He was just, you know, always trying to make everybody smile and laugh. And, you know, he loved jokes. That's just the way he was. And I think this is my grandpa's last joke on me. Because he, like, never let me drive it. He never even, barely even let me look at it. I think I've been inside it like twice since he owned it. And then he was like, you know what? When I die, I'm gonna let it get like just filthy, and then he has to clean it. Like finally, I get to drive it, but it's like this. Well played, Grandpa. Well played. There's a whole nother side to this thing. I'm not excited about it, but there you go. I mean, the awning's still down. I ain't gonna touch it right now. Wow. All right, let's do the front. Well, there you go. The whole thing is now pressure washed, cleaned, scrubbed, and then I did like a spray wax on it. Got the heater running right now, so the generator's running, and the generator runs fine. And I had to turn on the LP to run the heater, and that works fine. So that's cool, because we're about to go inside, and I'll reveal the whole thing by the end of the video. But yeah, we're about to go inside, and got to clean up the inside. Inside's not bad. I have used it a little bit, so it is messier than when I got here. But yeah, this step's really cool. When you open the door, it comes out automatically and goes back in. And at first it wasn't doing that. Just sprayed it up with a bunch of lube. Like just sat here and just like open, close, and open, close because it's automatic. And watch it now. It's pretty neat, isn't it? All right, so for some reason, when my grandpa decided to get this RV, he wanted to go with cheap hotel room. That is the decor he liked. Look at this couch. This is, look at the lamps with the plastic on them. Just cheap, kind of a country hotel. It's still cheap. Like look, it's even got fake pictures nailed to the wall. This he didn't pick these out. This was just bolted in here. He's never changed it. He never put pictures of his kids or anything in here. Anyway, kitchen area with the freezer and the cooler. That thing works. I blew the water up thing, and so there's a bunch of like water stuff down here that I got to clean up. The filter thingy. So don't know if the water works yet. I'm sure the microwave works. Look at that, it's dirty. Yeah, nice. This little panel does things. No, that was the wrong one. No, not that one. Which one? This one? Yeah, shows you things. Cool. A little bit of water damage from that thing leaked onto this thing. So I'm sure this wall is ugly, but I don't know. And then bedroom looks pretty good. Look at these look at the, I don't understand the wallpaper. It's just cheap country, just, look at this. It's stuck, man. I don't know. Anyway, the mirror fell off from behind the bed. It must have like, the glue must have gotten too, warm and just fell from the vibration or something. That's got a nice little shower. Nice little shower right there. I think that's supposed to be a tub, but there's no way that's this thing's actually really big for a shower, for a tiny shower. There's a toilet, and according to the tank reader thing over there, the black water's like almost full, so apparently I get to empty that. Also, it hasn't ran in like, they haven't used it in like 8 years, so who knows what's in there. Anyway, got a lot to do. Let's get started. All right. Well, as it is in the automotive world, sometimes you have something cool sitting in your yard, and you're working on it, and sometimes somebody pulls up and is like, "Hey, how much do you want for that cool thing sitting in your yard?" And you're like, "I don't know. I haven't thought about it. How much? How about this much?" And they're like, how about this much?" And then you're like, that much is a little low. And then they're like, "Okay, let's meet in the middle." And then the cool thing that you were working on in your yard just drives away. So that's what happened here, and it's not a done deal yet. He said he's going to come back tomorrow and pay for it. But if he comes back tomorrow, then I guess I'll do my end spiel. And I don't know, this was a fun video to make, and I want to thank everybody for watching and follow along with me, doing all my little journeys. And this is a lot of fun. If you have any comments, please comment down below. If you have any if you have any feedback or any good stories about your RV days, comment below. And also, I have a PayPal link down in the description below if you guys want to donate to the betterment of this channel. All money donated does go to these vehicles, cleaning supplies, cheap tools, just whatever. And I want to thank you all very much, and enjoy the rest of your day. I left the bathroom light on. All right, thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day.